Hey there, I'm Chris Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome back for a question session. Today's question is, what is a home warranty and do I need one? How do they work? So a home warranty really is like an aftermarket car warranty. If you've ever bought a car or you've had a car, you probably are getting these freaking calls from these car warranty people. Well, home warranties aren't as aggressive, so they're not like that. What it is they offer you the opportunity to kind of warranty some of the systems in your property, which include things like your HVAC, your water heater, some light plumbing stuff, maybe a roof leak, some things like that. If they go wrong, which could happen, they actually warranty it for you. You have to call the service, pay a deductible, which is usually somewhere between $50 to $100, and they'll send someone out to repair it. And they'll repair it up to a certain amount. So that can be really good, particularly when you're buying a new place, and if you're a first-time home buyer, really, because you get into the place and you want to make sure you are not hit right away with new repair costs. You've just spent money on probably your down payment and maybe your closing costs, so you want to have just a little bit of insurance in case the water heater breaks. Now, you've had an inspection, especially if you're working with us, but you want to make sure that even after the inspection you consider getting one. A lot of times the inspector will even recommend it, and the reason is because anything can happen at any time. Everything could have been fine at the inspection, but afterwards something comes up. So you also want to check each home warranty to see to the extent of which they cover the things that they're supposed to cover. Like, if your HVAC breaks, will they give you a portion toward the repair, or will they replace it? If the plumbing has a malfunction, you want to see to what extent they'll do it, because they have their limits. They have to. Usually home warranties are not very expensive, so they can only go so far. If you have any questions, please feel free to subscribe, send us a little message or comment, and we will be happy to answer and get you the information. I'm Chris Willa Williams, and we look forward to making you smarter.